Hey, what's up, guys? So we have right here a Rolls Royce, and it looks pretty now, doesn't it? We kind of skipped the intro.
Stop lying. It's a Toyota.
Bruh, it's a Rolls Royce. It says so right here. So this is what we're working on tonight. Put it back in reverse. That right there is some blinker fluid. Bro, you're running low on your blinker fluid.
I want to see it so bad, bro.
And that,
Somebody hop in.
yeah, I got you. So that.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Pull the lever. Pull the lever, Crunk. Yeah, just pull it down.
Like this?
Yank it, bro. Give it a little. No, not like that. Not like that.
Oh, I got
There you go. Man, you weren't kidding.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's like a little swimming pool.
Yeah, just wait a little. I just realized there's some more spots.
My antenna. You show my antenna? Top of the line.
That's a good mod right there.
Yeah. Weight reduction. I have to go.
Still from up close.
I bought phone calls, by the way. Oh, did you? I have a little bottle.
That would work better than this.
Probably. But this is plastic. Does it make a difference?
Watch the transition. Look at this.
Oh, what the heck?
Now watch this.
Oh my goodness.
That's a big change.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, that came out
Look
really
at that
nice.
reflection, bro.
That
Look
came
at
out
that
real
reflection.
nice.
Wow. You went all the way down there too?
Yeah, I went all the way down.
Beautiful. Unreal.
Shiny. And when you put the ceramic coating, it's all gonna look shinier than this whole thing.
Yeah. Inshallah.
Get some
Will
more.
inshallah get us demonetized?
I don't know. Oh,
Adam Siri time.
we're acting like we've already been monetized. Like, bro, I haven't seen it ever
We're
since.
not making anything.
Well, we're gonna get demonetized. Don't even have a single cent.
They're just gonna charge us.
You're gonna charge it?
Yeah.
You know, I think
We're gonna go into the negative.
somebody told me you get like fined if you curse now on YouTube. By like California state law when a kid sees it or something like this.
I guess we'll find out.
She's a Buick. If you don't believe me, it says, oh, is that an R? For Rolls Royce? No, this ain't. What? Buick. Rolls Royce. What's wrong with these cars? Conflicted identity. Man, they even got the Rolls Royce on the wheels. Some Rolls Royce interior right there. Rolls Royce.
Come around. I'm gonna show them the door panel. That's the worst part. So previous owner has some beautiful white garbage quality duct tape on here.
Oh, I thought that was a trash bag.
It might as well be.
No, dude.
Look at
You're
that.
making it worse. Put the trash bag back on.
Straight rotten. The wood is gone. Carpet's discolored on the door.
Oh, so this is some IKEA wood right here. Underneath.
Yeah, it's definitely not real wood.
We're carbon fibering that because it's retro mod.
No.
He said no.
Dude.
I'll get you a 2x4.
Look at the carpeting there. The carpeting is absolute trash right here. You can see it's literally going to the floorboard. Right there. It's literally eaten away that much. So this thing needs to just be
so we're redoing the interior big time.
Needs to be completely redone.
Oh, look, the wheel looks nice. The
The
dash
wheel's
looks
in good
nice.
shape. The dash is okay. You can kind of see the sun damage.
Well, the seats are in good shape, except for this can be restitched, right there.
I'm just worried about right here.
Put it back together.
I don't know if that's repairable. I really don't think that's repairable.
I wonder if we can get seats, completely different front seats, off of a different Buick in a junkyard that is clean.
But I really love these seats, though. I want these exact seats.
Do they only come on the Riviera?
I don't know, man. I don't want to...
We need to do some research.
Yeah, we definitely need to do some research. I was honestly hoping to just get it
What is that?
bro. I don't want to worry about getting new chairs. And
Damn, that's some old school seatbelt.
yeah, that's like an airplane seatbelt.
Well, that's sure it is.
Yeah,
I've never seen an airplane
old school.
seatbelt like that.
But take a look at the bench seat in the back, though. It's actually in great condition. Besides
See, that we're
these,
keeping.
like, little panels right here on the side, the back bench seat is in great condition.
Huh. So,
Even the rear.
is this one of those
whatever this is.
those cars that get whale semen?
No, I think those are just Rolls's.
Rolls get
I
whale
don't know if
semen?
it's called whale semen, but they put some shit on there. I don't know if it's whale semen.
That's what Hoovy said. I listened to Hoovy because he's my friend. Just kidding.
Hoovy said it. It's true.
If Hoovy said it, it's true. But like,
I don't know if we should start following his habits.
I mean, this is literally a car he would buy.
Yeah, he's not. No, he wouldn't buy this.
Shout out to Hoovy's Garage. This dude over here, Bismillah, trying to get this right. He knows the pressure is real.
That's the key.
That's the key.
What should we name our YouTube channel?
What is the name?
I can't think of it.
Behind the scenes of a YouTube star in the making. Deciding what his name should be.
Definitely should get tires on this.
Change this as the subject.
Dude,
Because
I'm
he
gonna
doesn't
get
know.
white walls.
White walls would be sick on this.
And white walls, bro.
Where do you even buy white walls?
I
Bro,
don't know, but I'm gonna find them.
we're gonna draw them on.
Damn, bro, some white walls would be so cool.
I know, I swear.
It'll go perfectly.
Look
with
at this. You see this marks?
Straight
Let's just draw it on. Spray it.
white out.
No, what you do is you tape this whole section off with the circle tape, and then you literally spray paint white. I think that's how they do it these days. You don't actually buy white walls, do you?
No, you can. You can buy them.
From
You
where?
know they come factory on some Cadillacs now.
No way.
On some of the new Cadillacs.
I
they're
like
putting them on
that. Bring
factory.
it back.
It's pretty badass.
Bring back
But
white
they're
walls.
doing like really thin white wall. I'm trying to do like
A thick.
a
Well,
nice-
right there. They have the perfect marker right there.
Yeah, a nice thick layer of white wall.
Yeah. We've nicknamed your car.
What?
It's Rolls. We're calling it the Rolls.
I like that.
I'm gonna label this video on YouTube as we just ceramic coated the Rolls Royce.
Please don't. Please don't. Not our first video. Later. Oh wow.
No.
Oh wow. But
He almost lost the ceramic.
down the driveway.
Just no more ceramic coating.
No.
You hate this process so much. It's like, I'm done.
Oh shit, guys.
Guys, I just discovered something. This is crazy. Remember I was telling you this is a Rolls Royce? Apparently, the R doesn't stand for Rolls Royce. My life is a lie. Stands for River Era. The era of rivers. This one's called a random orbital buffer. The other one is a solid stationary buffer.
Okay.
So it's a lot more strong. You don't.
Oh, that's why it has this.
Yeah, so it's randomly orbiting.
Okay. Something smells like peppermint. I think it's the compound you're using.
Oh, it probably is.
But how does this look, this pillar?
Great.
Is it good?
It's hard to tell this landing. It looks good. Yeah, seems great.
All right.
So, like, the cool part... Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, now you can see it.
So the cool part about buffing, especially with modern day buffing for the viewers, is we're ceramic coating it afterwards, and if you're ceramic coating it afterwards, it's a little bit easier to cut more because we're sealing it back up again. So if you end up cutting too much on a normal paint job without ceramic coating afterwards, you gotta be careful because you don't want to take off too much clear, or you don't want to take off too much paint in this case because this car doesn't have a clear coat. It's a single stage. But if we're doing a ceramic coating like that, it's okay to take off as much as you want. Well, not as much as
there's more room for error.
Yeah, exactly, because we're coating it, we're sealing it from damaging further, and that's the benefit of using ceramic coating.
Cool. Just a little bit of backstory on this Buick. My dad moved here from Palestine in 84, and his first car was that.
No way. Is this the same Buick?
Same Buick.
Same exact one, or is
No, it's a year older.
Okay, I was gonna say the grill looks
It's a
different.
76.
Yeah. Wow.
The grill is different. I mean, there's a very few things that differentiate it.
Bro, that's the American dream right there.
Exactly. Like, that's my dad in like 85, bro.
Damn.
You know what I mean? In his first car, it's like a 5-year-old car. It was still, somewhat new. It wasn't an old raggedy car. Same white vinyl top. Same exact color.
Dude, I'm telling you.
And now that we've revived it, like,
It
get that
actually
on
looks
camera.
the same.
It looks identical.
Yeah, before it didn't look like that.
When we bought the car, it certainly did not look anything like the picture here. And we found it on Craigslist, and I just wanted to recreate my dad's first car in America, and here we are.
It's actually a really cool story.
Yeah, he's really excited about it. Honestly, like, my dad has just been, like, I've been working my ass off on it for the last couple of
Are we gonna
weeks.
take your dad with us to Radwood?
100%. If
Let's
he's
do it.
down, I'm 100% going to take him with us, because
That'd be
that's
sick.
just going to be like the cherry on top. But basically, yeah, that's the backstory behind this car. I wanted to buy it for my dad and, kind of help him recreate that. It was his first car here, and I hope that I get to drive it and pass it down to my kids at some point whenever I have them. But like Keenan loves to mention, I'm still living with my parents at home. So that'll come when it comes. But yeah,
That's the story of the Rolls, guys.
that's the story of the Buick Riviera. Hey guys, we're here one day later after we let it bake in the sun a little bit, and we kind of wanted to show the results here. Let's take a look around. You can see that it's got its sparkle back. If you look close here, you can kind of see how it's got that original flaking from the original paint. That's all something that we brought back out by ceramic coating it and buffing it. So it's come together real nice. Let's take a look around here to where the fenders are. You can see the fenders came out beautifully. There's no roughness at all. extremely shiny and just looks factory.
You can see a reflection on it.
A lot of it looks
Yeah, it
factory.
is
I mean, it's
beautiful.
still a 42-year-old paint job, but it definitely looks a lot more factory than it did before we started. So
Definitely.
yeah, that's our one-day update. Let's take a little stroll around the car here and wrap it up.